What are the benefits of working with a third-party cleaning company? First and foremost, it saves time. The only commodity we cannot buy. Is your time worth the savings? Wouldn't you be more productive doing things you love instead of cleaning? Things such as generating ideas, making money, improving yourself, and/or sharing memorable moments with your loved ones. Second, not everyone has the right cleaning equipment, tools, and/or chemicals. Of course, we're not talking about cleaning rags and surface cleaners. To properly disinfect the room, one will need more tailored equipment such as misters and electrostatic sprayers, not to mention the proper personal protective equipment. Third, it's essential to choose the right cleaning products not to damage surfaces and be sure to get the desired result. As we already know-how comes with the experience of doing the same things over and over for countless hours. Fourth, those engaged in cleaning professionally know the secrets of how quickly, better and easier to achieve cleanliness in any room. Fifth, if the service is rendered for a business, it is a complete tax write-off. So why do it yourself what someone else will gladly do for you?